dreamt of a career filled with exciting ideas and big projects. But sometimes, her ideas felt tangled like yarn. She often felt a bit lost, wondering how to turn her creative sparks into real shining stars. Her office cubicle, though cozy, sometimes felt like a small island. One day, she met Mr. Henderson, a senior colleague with a twinkle in his eye, and a reputation for wisdom. He was known for seeing potential in everyone. Mr. Henderson noticed Lily's quiet determination and her overflowing notebook of sketches and scribbles. He saw a kindred spirit. "Lily," he said kindly, "your ideas are like seeds. They need the right soil, water, and sunlight to grow strong." Lily listened intently. He explained that just like seeds, ideas need nurturing. You can't rush a sunflower, and you can't rush a brilliant idea. Start small, he advised. Focus on one idea at a time. Dig deep into it, understand its roots, and give it your full attention. Lily nodded. She had been trying to plant a whole garden at once, and everything felt overwhelming. Mr. Henderson continued, "And don't be afraid to share your seeds. Others might help you find the best sunlight or protection from storms." He encouraged her to talk about her ideas, even the tiny ones, with trusted colleagues. "Feedback is like fertilizer," he chuckled. Lily started to change her approach. She picked one small project from her overflowing notebook, designing a new user-friendly icon. She meticulously planned it, researching existing designs and sketching countless variations. She focused on every tiny detail. Then, she bravely shared her progress with a few colleagues, including Mr. Henderson. Their feedback, though sometimes challenging, was constructive. She learned to refine, to simplify, and to see her design from different perspectives. It was hard work, but also incredibly rewarding. Slowly, her little icon project blossomed. It wasn't a huge, groundbreaking idea, but it was perfect for its purpose. The icon was adopted by her team, and her colleagues praised its clarity and elegant simplicity. Lily felt a surge of pride. Mr. Henderson smiled. "You see, Lily, one well-grown seed can still make a beautiful impact." From that day on, Lily approached every project with a new mindset. She learned to break down big ideas into manageable steps. She continued to seek advice and collaborate, her confidence growing with each successfully nurtured seed of an idea. Lily's career flourished, proving that sometimes the most profound lesson is about the power of focus and careful cultivation.